All right, guys. Hey, how we doing? It's Coach Moss here. I just wanted to do a short little, just a few minute video going over how to solve for the arc length. This is the formula here. A is the arc length, R is going to be the radius, and theta, which is the symbol here, theta is the symbol for the angle measure in radian, okay? So a lot of times you're going to get the angle measure in degree, and you're going to have to convert it to radian and then solve. All right, so we're going to start with the first one, and it's very simple. You're just going to multiply r by the theta, all right, which is the angle measure in terms of pi. Okay, so find the arc length if angle is 180 degrees, and I've gone ahead and drawn a diagram here, and the radius is 15. So A is going to be 15 as the radius times 180 in terms of pi. All right, so 180 in terms of pi is actually just pi, because from here all the way around here, this is pi. All right, so we're just going to leave that in terms of pi, so 15 pi is actually going to be your arc length. All right, that was a pretty easy example. So I'm going to do one more where we're going to actually have to convert a little bit. So find the arc length if the angle is 60 degrees and the radius is 7. So A equals 7 as the radius, and 60 in terms of pi is pi over 3. It's a third of a pi. All right, so then we would do 7 times pi over 3. Okay, and that would give us 7 pi over 3 as our arc length. Now we could multiply this out. 7 times pi divided by 3. Our arc length would be 7 point something. All right, so it'd be a little more than 7, but we're going to leave it in terms of pi, and so that's what we're going to get. All you have to do is make sure that you convert your angle measure from degrees to radians correctly, and then simplify the fraction if need be. So, for example, if this were, if the radius was 6 instead of 7, then it would be 6 pi over 3, which would just mean the arc length is 2 pi. So just make sure you simplify correctly. All right, there you go.